English Kazakh. I made equals.
Мен жасадым.
Make equals.
Жасау.
Synapse Lingo. Welcome. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more bite-sized lessons, games, and printables, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master made and to make do in Kazakh with jokes, beats, and quick wins. Ready? Let's roll. Your goal today. Your mission. Say and recognize all key forms. Repeat out loud for max results. I made.
Мен жасадым.
You made, singular.
Сен жасадың.
It made.
Ол жасады.
We made.
Біз жасадық.
They made.
Олар жасады.
To make, to do.
Жасау.
Also written as.
Жасау.
Closing parenthesis. Quick forms. Past made. Bounce with the beat and shadow these forms. Keep it snappy. I made.
Мен жасадым.
You made, SG.
Сен жасадың.
He made.
Ол жасады.
She made.
Ол жасады.
It made.
Ол жасады.
We made.
Біз жасадық.
They made.
Олар жасады.
Base verb. To make, do.
Жасау.
Slash.
Жасау.
Funny dialogue at the cake table. Mini scene time. You're at a party with a very loud cake. A. Who made this cake? B. I did.
Мен жасадым.
C. Wait, the mixer says, it made it.
Ол жасады.
D. Team reveal. Actually.
Олар жасады.
They made it together. U. Nice. So, we can say.
Біз жасадық.
After we finish the dishes. Chef. And the key verb is.
Жасау.
To make, do. Announcer. Alternative transliteration incoming.
Жасау.
Same verb, same awesomeness. Friend points at you. Hey, you made the playlist.
Сен жасадың.
Echo drills. Call and response. I say English, you echo the Kazakh, twice. Say, you made.
Сен жасадың.
Again.
Сен жасадың.
Say, it made.
Ол жасады.
Again.
Ол жасады.
Say, we made.
Біз жасадық.
Again.
Біз жасадық.
Say, they made.
Олар жасады.
Again.
Олар жасады.
Say, I made.
Мен жасадым.
Again.
Мен жасадым.
Say, to make, to do.
Жасау.
Alt.
Жасау.
Speed quiz. Lightning round. Answer before the ding. Q1. English to Kazakh, I made. A.
Мен жасадым.
Q2. English to Kazakh, you made, singular. A.
Сен жасадың.
Q3. English to Kazakh, it made. A.
Ол жасады.
Q4. English to Kazakh, we made. A.
Біз жасадық.
Q5. English to Kazakh, they made. A.
Олар жасады.
Q6. English to Kazakh, to make, to do. A.
Жасау.
Slash.
Жасау.
Culture tip. Makers on the step. Culture break. Unlock memory with a story. Picture artisans in Kazakhstan who
Жасау.
felt art and parts of a yurt. After hours, a master steps back and smiles.
Ол жасады.
You sip tea and whisper with pride.
Біз жасадық.
Quote. Final challenge. Ready to flex? Record yourself after each prompt. Say a full sentence with, I made, and a hobby. Example. I made a model.
Мен жасадым.
Plus, a model. Point at a friend and say, you made, about something real.
Сен жасадың.
Brag with your team, we made it.
Біз жасадық.
Tell a robot joke, it made a cake.
Ол жасады.
Plus, a cake. Cheer for others, they made a plan.
Олар жасады.
Plus, a plan. Finally, say the base verb twice like a spell.
Жасау. Жасау.
Thanks and next steps. You crushed it. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, and when you finish a task, say,
Мен жасадым.
or,
Біз жасадық.
out loud to lock it in. For more lessons and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.